This is finishing up homework 25, and this shouldn't take long. This is number 12. This problem requires you to get a couple equations. What you should recognize is because of H being the midpoint of this segment here, and M the midpoint of this segment here, and these two segments are equal, that means that this segment is congruent to this segment. All right, and angle G is congruent to angle K. Okay, and then these two segments, Hgeo and JK, are equal. So if they are equal, then we have some equations we need to set equal to each other, namely these two and these two. So what that will do will give us x and y. And x and y is, this is the answer key for that. This x and y you can solve for by algebra, with algebra, and you need to be able to see, you have to be able to see that in problem number 12, okay, I'm showing you the answer key that's on the Schoology page. You get these two equations equal to each other, and then you solve for x, and then you get these two equations, and you solve for you get these two equations, and you solve for y, and you substitute those back in to the diagram to get the values that you need for angle GOH, angle GOH, which is this one, GOH, substituting x back in, GHO, substituting y back in, and then GH. Now GH you don't need any work because here's GH, right? Well, if we know that 27 is the same as GJ, this is 13.5. So put it together, do the work, sit and focus, concentrate, be quiet, and do the work. You can do it.